My name's James Vaughan and I'm the Apprentice of the Year for Hair and Beauty. One of the main reasons why I went down the apprenticeship route is because I wanted to start having like this work-life and education balance really, and trying to incorporate some of my education into a workplace. I found that working within a salon gave me a lot more in-house experience alongside the required education that I needed as well. For me, it's about building up that kind of professionalism, learning things on the job that you don't necessarily get from maybe like an institution or a college. It's mainly about, building up your clientele always helps, and people skills, communication skills, interprofessional skills as well. We've still got a good relationship now, a really good she was a brilliant assessor. She helped me through every single one of my levels, every qualification that she offered me. She was fully supportive, including during the pandemic. When everything was just closed down, she still kept in touch, kept on eyeing me. And it wasn't just about the programme, she also cared about my well-being and other holistic areas as well. So I think she's amazing at what she did, yeah. Definitely, I definitely think it's an important kind of avenue to go down, especially when we're talking about trades, especially in hair and beauty. Because you can also earn money alongside working. And going back to what I said before, it also gives you really good communication skills that you might not get within other institutions. You kind of also have this independent learning with it as well, and you can, not necessarily guarantee a job at the end of it, but you can make really good connections with people within the industry of your choice as well. It's a bit surreal, because it was a bit out of the blue, to be honest with you. I got told that I got put up for the award. I was a bit like, oh, okay. I was unbeknownst to me, and then a few weeks later saying you've won, I was a bit like, oh my God. It's really nice and it's really touching that I've received this award. So I haven't won anything in my life, so it's quite nice to win something. Yeah, so I can finally say I'm an award winner.